Hey everyone, it's Andrew, and I've got an exciting update for Conversation AI. This is going to make things a lot easier when managing our AI messages and training our AIs within the Conversations tab, and that is the ability to view our knowledge base, our training data, and our prompts right on any Conversation AI messages sent within the Conversations tab. Let me show you how it works. So for example, here we have a conversation where Conversation AI has engaged. This is our message from the AI. Again, we are in our Conversations tab within our sub account. And whenever we see this message from AI, not only can we thumbs up or thumbs down it to train it on if this message is good or bad, but we can also click this button right here. This is going to show our AI response info. This is going to show the actual response where we can take this and view what the AI actually sent out to the client. We can also go down and see the prompt, so we can see the prompt from the AI directly. Now again, this is coming from the Conversation AI tab in settings, so this should look identical to the one that you see in settings. But if we want to edit the prompt, we can do it right from the screen by clicking this button, and it will take us to our settings for Conversation AI, so we can edit this prompt while we're looking at this conversation. So that takes us right here to our Conversation AI settings under configure intents and in appointment booking or in general question and answer. Here we can see those prompts that we were seeing over in this screen. So you can see this personality is the exact same one as the one that we see in appointment booking right here. Here's that persona. All of the information for the bot is from this screen. Now also, we can also view the knowledge chunks. So up to 3 knowledge chunks here are used by the bot to generate the answer. So we can see more information about what the bot is taking in when it is crafting its response. And you can see right here, it is pulling from the FAQ. So right here, this is an FAQ that already exists in the Conversation AI. As you can see, this is over here back in our settings. If we take a look at our FAQ, here's that customized bot response. So it's actually pulling from this FAQ in our conversation, and we can see it right here in this knowledge chunk section. Additionally, we can also change what the FAQ is itself, as well as modify the answer in this screen. So this is going to make things a lot faster whenever you're trying to train our AI, especially with our FAQs, and it'll show you which ones it is pulling from in order to craft its response. And then we can also see at the bottom the last piece of information that is taking in order to craft its response. And this is the information from a website that this AI is trained on. And of course, we can edit this information right here. Now, if we edit this information, then as always, as we talked about before, we will have an edited tag on this website back in our settings. So you can actually see as you or your team members edit these responses in the AI, in the Conversation AI screen, it's going to carry over into Conversation AI settings, and you can see when those edits were made and what edits were made. And of course, after you make any edits to this screen, you can click save. It will save your AI training data. This will go back into settings, and then it will use that data moving forward, even in this conversation. This is super helpful if you're using Conversation AI on a mass scale and you need to train it very quickly. You can train it in individual conversations rather than having to go back to settings all the time. So this is super helpful for letting us see what the AI is using in order to craft its responses. If you have any questions about Conversation AI or this feature specifically, leave a comment. And as always, thank you so much for watching.